Welcome to QA Insight by Maruk. If you are curious about software quality assurance and want to know why it's such a vital part of tech world, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into what SQA is, why it is a fantastic career choice, and how both IT professionals and non-IT folk can get started in this excited field. Let's get started. What is software quality assurance? Software quality assurance is a systematic process that ensures the quality of software product and services. It encompasses the entire software development lifecycle, focusing on preventing defect and improving the process. SQ employ various methodologies and tools to assess and enhance the quality of product. It's not just about finding bug, it's about creating a culture of quality throughout the organization. A focus on SQA can lead to greater customer satisfaction and reduce cost. What choose software quality assurance? Choosing SQA is a crucial for delivering high quality software that meets user expectation. Good quality assurance practices can minimize risk and ensure compliance with industry standards. Investing in SQA can save time and money by identifying issues early in the development process. It also helps in building trust and credibility with client and stakeholders. In the competitive market, outstanding quality can be unique selling point. The next part is the difference between SQA and quality assurance. While often used interchangeably, SQA and QA have distinct role in their software development. QA focus on the operational process that ensure quality, while SQA emphasizes quality throughout the development life cycles. SQA include planning, process definition, and auditing, aligning with QA focus on testing and product outcomes. Understanding the difference can help teams optimize their approach to quality management. Both are essential for delivering exceptional software products. The next question is how IT professionals choose SQA as a career. IT professionals often gravitate toward SQA due to its growing importance in tech-driven industries. With the solid foundation in software development and testing, they find SQA aligned with their skills. Continuous learning and adapting to new technologies are inherent to SQA roles, appealing to tech-savvy individuals. Career progression in SQA can lead to role in management, consultancy, or specialized testing. Passion for quality and detail-oriented mindset are key drivers for choosing this path. How non-IT individuals can enter the SQA field. So, non-IT professional can also transition into SQA by leveraging transferable skills from other industries. Strong analytical abilities, problem-solving skills, and attention to detail are invaluable in SQA. Many training programs or boot camps are available, offering essential knowledge of SQA processes and tools. Networking within tech community can also help to open door in SQA field. With dedication and right mindset, anyone can embark on the rewarding SQA career. The next question is the skill required for success in SQA. Successful SQA professional possesses a blend of technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills include knowledge of testing tools, scripting, and understanding of software development methodologies. Soft skills such as communication, collaboration, and critical thinking are equally vital. Continuous learning and adaptability to new technologies ensure ongoing success in SQA roles. Building a robust skill set can make you sought after candidate in the job market. The role of automation in the SQA. Automation is transforming the SQA landscape, providing efficiency and accuracy in testing. Automated testing allows team to run tests quickly and frequently, catching defects early. Learning automation testing tool can significantly enhance an SQA professional career prospect. However, the understanding manual testing process remain essential for a well-rounded skill set. The balance of automation and manual testing is key to effective software quality assurance. The future of SK in rapidly changing tech landscape. As the technology evolves, so does the role of SK in software development. Emerging technologies like AI, machine learning, and DevOps are shaping SQA practicing. SQA professionals must stay abreast of these changes and adapt to new methodologies. The future holds exciting opportunities for innovation and improving software quality. Embarrassing change. will be essential for success in the SQA field. Real world impact of SQA on software development. SQA can significantly influence the overall success of software projects. With the effective SQA practice, team can deliver project on time and within budget. Case studies show the direct correlation between robust SQA measures and customer satisfaction rates. Investing time and resources in SQA lead to fewer errors and increased user confidence. Emphasizing quality can turn satisfied customer into brand advocates. Success stories in XQA. Many companies have achieved remarkable success through effective XQA practices. Organizations that prioritize SQA report lower defect rate and higher customer retention. Famous tech giants showcase how SQA has been instrumental in their growth and innovation. These success stories inspire others to adopt SQA in their own development process. Learning from industry leaders can guide new practitioners in their SQA journey. Your path to successful SQA career. The journey into world of SQA is open to all regardless of background. With the right mindset, education and networking, anyone can thrive in this field. Embrace learning and stay curious about the evolving technology landscape. Your commitment to quality will set you apart in the job market and lead to fulfilling opportunities. Join the SQA community and be part of vital mission to enhance the software quality. And that wraps up our introduction to software quality assurance. I hope this gave you a clearer understanding of why SQ is such a rewarding and crucial field in the tech industry. Whether you are just starting or considering a career switch, there's always room for growth in QA. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to QA Insight with Maruf for more content like this. Drop your question in the comments below and I will be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.